Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Another great pre-owned vehicle. They're all great, but this one's really nice. 2019 Hyundai Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive package. So we'll do a quick walk around the outside. I'll show you some of the interior features. So Preferred is our midline package. Lots of standard features, which I will point out as we go around. We'd like to show you the body of the vehicle. Nate, this just came out of Nathan's Bay. He does a heck of a job for us. Really makes these cars shine. So again, you got the H-Track all-wheel drive, great feature to have. You've got nice alloy wheels, as you can see. You keep walking around. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors, so nice safety feature. Fog lights right there, which is pretty much standard on most of our vehicles. Nice beefy Hyundai grille, hood's in nice shape, glass is in nice shape, roof is in nice shape. When we do this, so you can see there's no damage. You've got side rails as well right here, so you could always add cross rails, put a ski box, bike rack, something like that. So if you're into some outdoor sports, you definitely can add that to this vehicle. Go in the trunk here, mats are in the back, we leave them there until we sell the vehicle, keep them clean. You've got a good sized trunk, you've got a spare underneath there. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats with anchors on all three seats. So again, nice feature to have if you have kids. You have the ability to add all the car seats for a growing family. So again, good sized trunk. Tucson has definitely been hot, whether it's been new or pre-owned. I think it's all about the size, and it's just that right size, not too big, not too small. Good cloth seat. Carpets are in nice shape. Flooring is in nice shape. You got some rear vents. That's nice to have for the passengers. You got some cup holders in the back, so if you only have two passengers, a little bit extra let's say comfort for them if you're doing a travel, or for the kids, you put their cups there. You get heated seats on the outside rear seats, which is a nice feature. We keep going. We go into the front now, the meat and potatoes. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well, so great feature if you have kids. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it, lower it. You can move the back, can go forward, back, and you also have a lever underneath the seat to move it back to front. So again, definitely a very adjustable. More safety features. Well, this one's not, but it's a nice comfort feature. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning. You have this one is adaptive cruise. Not adaptive cruise. You have lane departure warning, and then while you're driving, blind spot detection, lane departure warning. So two different features. You have traction control, which you could shut off, and you have four-wheel drive lock. So a nice feature to have in the winter time. So we're gonna jump in the vehicle. Grab the key here really quick. All right, so let's go over some more of the features. You got all your Bluetooth hands-free calling, volume controls on the left-hand side. Mode you can toggle through as well. On this side you have all your cruise controls, and you have your information center, which you can toggle through and adjust some of the settings to the vehicle to personalize the vehicle to your specifications. You have drive modes, so again you have electric steering in this vehicle, so you can drive it in normal or sport mode. You have downhill brake assist control. You have all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. Some other cool features, you've got heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You've got a heated steering wheel, definitely my favorite feature. Obviously front and rear defrost. Standard on this vehicle, you get your hazards. Very easy and simplistic, which is what I like. You've got also nice infotainment center, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, which is really nice if you're going out of town, navigation, traffic reports. You also have access to your music and photos if you want to look at photos while you're parked. Great, kind of cool. And of course, a great backup camera. So again, all standard from the factory. Cloth, dash, everything in nice shape. You've seen the kilometers. Great price. So again, we just looked over at 2019 Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive. As always, you can call, text, or email. So if you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle you see here at Seaway Hyundai, as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.